Hi everybody, welcome to Riotouch UMind Functions Introduction Video Series. Last time we have talked about Part 1 for UMind Whiteboard. Today let's continue Part 2. Let's go. You can freely adjust any elements in UMind Whiteboard by selecting an area, such as moving around, or changing elements' color. Also, you can duplicate it by only one click. Rotating it and zoom in or zoom out, it's all easy for users. You can easily make a smart chart in UMind Whiteboard, very convenient. Smart chart will vary automatically basing your writing. Easily insert different media files. You can checking files when using Whiteboard, no need to jump out. Implanting videos on your whiteboard is very easy. You can drag them all around, definitely make your meeting in class turning vivid and interesting. Finally, you can synchronize other devices' screen on Whiteboard, such as your smartphone or computer. Follow us in Riotouch, get more information about interactive display.